Solve this question through deconstruction method. What is deconstruction method? Deconstruction method means that we break each and every information that the question has given. In this particular case, this section is very important and we often tend to ignore this particular section. So let's read this question. With reference to monoclonal antibodies, this is an information often mentioned in news. This is again an information. We don't look at this as an information. ये भी बहुत important information है. Consider the following statement. तो यहाँ से पहले before we go and read these statements, let's derive or let's deconstruct each and every word. First, antibodies, we know it's naturally present. हमारे में होते हैं and it helps to fight germs, antigens. It attack the antigens. But उससे पहले क्या आ रहा है? Monoclonal. Now, from this, it is clearly understandable that this particular antibody is not naturally found. It is artificially made. It is artificially made. If it's not naturally found, it has to be artificially made. And what is the best hint that it is artificially made? The best hint is that the word clonal, right? Mono clonal. Remember, guys, dolly ship, cloning of dolly ship. Okay. So this we know that it's not natural, it's artificially made. From here, definitely we are going to get the first statement correct, right? Now, the second statement, they stimulate immunological function due to their ability to bind to specific antigens. We know that antibodies bind to antigens. ये एकदम basic 101 biology है, right? But this is artificially made. That means if it is artificially made, it has to be better, right? And we have always known कि in case of science, more positive statement, application-based statement are always correct. In this regard, if somebody is making or manufacturing or designing an antibody which is new, it has to do some specific purpose or it has to do some specific action, and it is doing a specific action. That specific action is its ability to bind to specific antigen. Second statement is also correct. Now, why I'm saying this section is very important, often mentioned in the news. We know that कोई भी सीरियस अगर कैंडिडेट है उसको पता चलेगा कि निपा वायरस हैज बीन डोमिनेटिंग इन द न्यूज, राइट? They're used in treating viral infections like that. Again, balanced guys. मैंने क्या बोला था पहले? Balanced plus general. And ये science है. This is also positive. So everywhere it is indicating कि it does so. Often mentioned in the news, Nipah virus has been in the news, right? So a particular antibody has been manufactured, which is monoclonal antibody that is able to fight a virus which is in the news, that is Nipah virus. We can solve this question in below 20 seconds.